In this video, let's talk about dividing whole numbers and unit fractions. We will rely on modeling to help us. Here's a problem for us to solve. 1/5 of the family weekly cash budget will go to purchasing school lunches for Mrs. Alexander's children. If she has 3 children, Emily, Franklin, and Madison, and she gives the exact amount of money to each child, then what fraction of the family's budget will go to Madison? What problem do we need to solve? Well, 1/5 of the budget needs to be split up 3 different ways. So we need to find the answer to 1/5 divided by 3. As mentioned before, we will use modeling to help solve the problem. Here, we have a simple rectangle. This shape represents the entire cash budget for the week. Now, let's divide it up. We divide it up into 5 parts, because one of these 5 parts goes to paying for school lunches. So let's color one of these 5 parts. So the shaded 5th goes to school lunches. Now we have to divide this up 3 ways, since Mrs. Alexander has 3 children. So let's split up this model vertically. Now each of the shaded parts represents the money that goes to each of the 3 children. Obviously, one of the parts goes to Madison. How many parts are there in all? 15. So if you create a fraction from these 2 numbers, the total number, 15, is the denominator, and Madison's part, 1 part of the whole, is the numerator. So our fraction is 1/15. So 1/15 of our weekly cash budget will go to pay for Madison's school lunches. So the answer to our problem is 1/15. Way to go! See you next time!